Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix and post app not opening. First, check your internet connection and make sure that it is stable. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if needed. Then, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the AN Post app, swipe it away, closing it completely, wait for a few hours and reopen it. Restart your phone to clear temporary system glitches. Then head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for the AN Post app, and then make sure that the app is updated to the latest version from the official App Store. Outdated versions or apps can prevent opening properly. If the problem continues, long press on the app icon, remove app, delete and delete the app. After deleting it, go to the App Store, search for the app, and reinstall the app from the official App Store. That's how you fix the AN Post not opening. Subscribe for more simple and easy guides.